Guys, today I want to show you some 3D prints that will be added to my vampire list of soulblight gravelords. As you can see, I have two of the most famous vampires of all time. One is Raziel and one is Cain from um, Soul from Soul River. Sorry, as you can see them in nice poses. Actually, the sculpts are not that bad. Yeah, the 3D printed uh, pretty good. I think they will paint up nicely. The Raziel has some nice broken wings. He was the first lieutenant of Cain. I hope you guys know the game I'm talking about. Soul River or Blood Omen for the Cain. If you play with Cain. Yeah, the sculpts they are not really bad. I think I think and I hope I can do them justice of how I'll paint them. I have Raziel, I think he has some nice blue scarf on him, and the Soriver, if I remember correctly, you can have it in many colors. So yeah, this will be two of my captains of my vampires. And then let me show you the other two that I got. This beautiful, lovely sculpt. Isn't he a beauty? Close more the camera so you can see him. Maybe I can even stop this thing so I can see it more nicely. Isn't he a beauty with two-handed this great sword? Nice flowing cape around him. Nice shoulder pads of armor. Don't know what he's having on the leg. You can see there's some kind of straps on the leg. I'm seeing the armor that is under his coat here, as you can see it also, but I'm not sure what he's having under here. I can defocus and focus again. I think it's his chest. I don't even know. The sculpts are not that bad. But yeah, not Games Workshop, but look pretty awesome with his greatsword. And this guy is just a beauty. Look at this bone vampire in a bone armor. In I think in Disciples 2, if I'm not mistaken, you get a character Bone Lord with the undead hordes. Exactly like this model. You will have him for some time and then they will betray you and he will be very hard to be killed. But look at this. Look at this monster. Crazy. Crazy. All of these bones will be painted very nice with white. See his cloak floating. I'm waiting for my Vlad von Karstein to see in what condition it is, to how it can be salvaged. Yeah, I had the option to do this one or a spear in his hand, a long spear like this one, but I prefer this kind of sword. It's like more like traditional vampire-ish. Let me defocus a bit. Yeah, I think I rather like him with the sword and this spear shaft. So yeah, this is my addition to my gravelords. these two beautiful, beautiful vampires, and these two from a game, Raziel and Cain. And yeah, I hope you guys like them also. And then see you on my next video. Bye bye, guys.